Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the location of the spark plugs. Take out the breather ventilation conduit by pushing down on the yellow part of the hose. With a thin screwdriver, lift the power connector tab on the electrical supply connector. Then remove it from the power supply terminal. Lift the power connector tab on the coils and remove the connector. With a thin flathead screwdriver, push down on the yellow part of the breather ventilation hose on the cylinder head cover. Remove the connector for the air pressure sensor by lifting the tab. Then free the electrical bundle located above the coils. Remove the final breather ventilation hose located on the inlet manifold. With a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the spurs located on each side of the coils. Finally, hold the coil firmly in your hands and pull directly upwards to remove it. With a spark plug wrench, an extender, a gimbal and a spanner, loosen the spark plug. Finish it off by hand. Finally, remove the spark plugs. Put in the new spark plug, placing it in the spark plug socket beforehand. Start screwing it in by hand and finish tightening it in place with 1/16 of a turn using the socket wrench. Repeat the same steps with the other spark plugs. We suggest changing the spark plugs one by one. This will help avoid contaminating the engine with impurities. Clip the spark coil back in. Then put back the spurs located on each side. Finish fixing them in place with the socket wrench. Put the electrical bundle back, sliding it between the plastic spurs under the coils. Reconnect the power to the coils to begin with. Then continue putting the bundle back so you can reconnect the air inlet pressure sensor. And finally, finish the process off by the power supply terminal. Clip all the breather ventilation hoses back in. Operation completed.